guys, welcome back. It's another day. It's a Saturday today. Please don't mind my hat. I'm wearing the hat because I was taking off my braids early this morning. I woke up and I was like, this needs to go because they were ugly, they were dirty, they were old, they needed to go. So I woke up and I asked Tshepo to help me take them off. And then after that, we decided to go to Hatches to go buy ourselves a dishwasher, okay? Because Tshepo hates doing the dishes. Yes, baby.
Hi.
What?
I'm lazy.
Okay, so he's lazy and he hates doing the dishes. So because of that, he was like, I want a dishwasher. So we went there to buy ourselves a dishwasher, okay? And then while we were there, Tshepo gave me the freedom, right? He was like, babe, you know, I think you need to buy something for yourself that you want, whatever you want, just pick from the store what you want. And I was like, are you sure, my guy? Are you okay? Are you all right? Are you sure? He was like, he's sure. I said, okay. You know what? I realized the power of influence. You guys on Instagram, you guys are real influencers. Let me just say that. Continue influencing us, okay? I was influenced but also I wanted this. I wanted this. And so when he said I can pick whatever I want, I was like, I know exactly what I'm gonna buy. I know exactly. So I chose this machine. I'm gonna show you now. But apart from that machine, we also wanted to buy ourselves some pots. Especially him, because nowadays he's the one who cooks most of the time because, oh wow, my work is crazy. I don't really get the time to cook anymore as much as I would like to, because I'm always just so tired. I'm always so tired. So he mostly you know, prepares our meals. So we also bought some pots that, you know, he wanted to buy so that he cooks homely meals on them. Yeah, so that we did. But I just want to show you guys my new machine. So guys, this is my new coffee machine. I mean, if you look at this, you would know exactly what machine I'm talking about, because we're all on Instagram and we all see, you know, people influencing us when they use this. So when he asked me what I wanted, I knew exactly what it was going to be. So we bought this machine for basically 3.8, but currently it is selling for how much, baby? For 4,500, but they didn't change the pricing on this box. So when we saw this box, we saw this price, we wanted to take it for this price. So they had to give it to us for this price because it was their fault that they didn't change the pricing on the shelf to match the price that's on here. So we got it at a lower price. But yeah, this is my new Nespresso machine and I'm just so excited to be making coffee out of it. I'm just gonna unbox it real quick.
Searching for something that ain't lost. Have we got our lines crossed? We're wasting time on stuff that doesn't really matter, while wishing for something better. I try to fix things that weren't broken, misunderstandings and words unspoken. We fall apart and I won't dare to say, do you feel the same way? Maybe you don't wanna know, but you don't see what you have in front of you. Or maybe I'm not enough for you.
And of course, you guys, it was not gonna be complete if I did not buy myself one of these cute little glasses. They call them cappuccino glasses, but it's the small cute ones.
All cute ones.
they're so cute, you guys. Ah, I can't wait to drink from them. I can't wait. Thank you, baby. Mwah. So guys, he literally, I am so, he made me happy today. He made me happy today.
The nice thing is, I'm not even done, guys. I've made it a tradition for her birthday to say we usually get 3 gifts for her. So we have like a pre-birthday gift, and then a birthday gift. So now I'll give her her post-birthday gift. So she just doesn't know it yet.
Okay, well, I can't wait for next year, alright? I can't wait for next year. But yeah, you guys, like, I'm so excited. I'm so happy. I can't wait to drink from this. I'm actually going to put it to use right now.
Another unboxing.
What is this?
As I take over, yeah.
What is this now? What is this?
Get a knife. Let's find out.
Babe! I thought you were saying you're going to give me a gift next year.
No.
You were talking about now.
The present. How?
But isn't this like already the present?
Okay, then there's the post.
Oh my god. I'm not able to deal with you. I'm unable. Okay. Where do I cut? Here.
Focus.
I'm just gonna cut it anyway.
I'll get a knife.
No, baby, it's fine. I'm gonna cut anyway. What is this? You got it! Okay. You guys, this is a lens that I've been wanting for vlogging for I think ever since I bought my camera. My camera came with the kids lens, but I've been wanting this vlogging lens. Thank you, baby.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes.
Okay, let's put it on right now.
Okay.
Let's put it on right now.
Judge the difference, guys. So we're just changing the lens.
Please tell me if you can tell the difference. If there is any difference, please. Okay, you guys. So this is a shot with the new lens. Please tell me if you see any differences. If you can tell if this is something new that I've just changed. But anyway, I'm just so excited. I'm so excited because this is a wide angle lens. It does not work the same way as the kit lens. The kit lens is very narrow. So I wanted the wide angle lens. I'm so excited. Okay, thank you so much, my baby. I'm gonna make us some coffee. Do you want coffee?
Nope.
Oh no, baby. Let me show them the pots. Let me just show you guys the pots. We have to move this over there. Okay, guys. So let me just show you guys the pots that we decided to buy. We decided to buy some Snappy chef pots. They were on promotion. They were how much, baby? They were 2.5. No, they were 2.5. Originally they said they go for like 3.5 or 3.7, I think. So yeah, we also got them on special. Hatches is currently running like a whole lot of specials. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys the pots now that made the pots to be done. Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna take them all out and then I'll open them all at once. So the one thing that really sold me on them was this. The fact that I can easily drain spaghetti, easily drain my veggies if I'm boiling them, or rice, because you know the lid will just be on the pot and I can just drain. I really love that about them. So these are the pots, you guys. So this is the draining component, and as you can see, they actually altered their pots so that it allows you to drain, and of course they are graduated inside. And yeah, I really like them. They're really cute. They're really pretty. I am so happy. I can't wait to cook in these. But also I can't wait for Tshepo to cook in these so that I can taste his glorious smells coming from these. I'm happy. So yeah, that is what I wanted to just show you guys. You can see Tshepo still moving around here. That is what I wanted to show you guys, and I think for this vlog this is where I'm gonna end it. We're just gonna make ourselves some cappuccinos or some coffee or whatever, you know, because we have a machine now, okay? So yeah, we're just gonna do that, and we're just gonna relax a bit before Tshepo leaves, because he's catching up with some of his friends, and I'm just gonna be here washing this hair. I think that should take priority from me. So yeah, you guys, thank you so much for watching this vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. I will see you guys on the next one. Mwah. Bye guys.
Why